Substations are essential to the electrical system because they evacuate electricity from its generation source, connect several transmission lines to give reliability to the grid, and they step down or step up the voltage so that it can be used in households and industries. Unfortunately, all substations have a common problem with animals. Yearly, snakes, birds, cats, monkeys, and other species cause millions of dollars of losses to utilities worldwide when entering these substations. When they do, they get electrocuted and cause power outages, resulting in lost revenues, damage to the equipment, emergency repairs, fines, and animal deaths. Some methods to avoid these intrusions are surveillance cameras, sound deterrence, perimeter fencing, and vegetation management. But they are not 100% effective because nothing can stop animals and their instincts. Animals commonly look for warm shelter, a safe place to nest, a nice dinner, a path to cross, or a VIP seat to hunt. So, electrocution can easily happen when they touch two different phases with their bodies. This can happen directly on the transformer terminal box, while touching two live conductors, between two phases, juggling between bus bars or elements with cables. To avoid these incidents, utilities worldwide are using animal outage protective covers. These covers allow animals to roam freely without damaging the electrical equipment. They are made of silicone, are extremely durable, flexible, hydrophobic, UV resistant, and will prevent phase-to-ground or phase-to-phase contact. Midsup's covers can protect bushings, switches, capacitors, transformers, arresters, bus bars, and more. This solution will protect not only the electrical assets, but also avoid costly power outages, keep the services running, and safeguard the life from a variety of animals.